Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're diving into an absolutely brilliant tool, CodeSpy.ai, a powerful AI detector that's seriously changing the game for developers, recruiters, freelancers, and businesses. And of course, you'll find the link to CodeSpy.ai in the description below. Definitely check it out. When you first land on CodeSpy.ai, you're greeted with a clean and easy-to-use dashboard. Honestly, it's so refreshing to see a professional tool that's this well-organized and beginner-friendly. Whether you're a tech pro or just getting started, CodeSpy.ai makes everything super intuitive. Now, let's click on New AI Scan. One thing I really appreciate is that you can select from a wide range of major programming languages like Java, .NET, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and C++. That's some serious versatility and shows how much thought the CodeSpy.ai team has put into making this useful for everyone. Here, we have an AI-generated Java code snippet ready to go. We simply copy the AI-generated code, paste it into the new AI scan section, and click Analyze. In just a few seconds, CodeSpy detects the code with an impressive 98% confidence that it is fully AI-generated. Honestly, the speed and accuracy here are next level and really set CodeSpy.ai apart from anything else out there. Another thing that makes CodeSpy incredibly smart is the way it visually categorizes your code. The code that appears in red is highly predicted to be AI generated. Orange means it's less likely but still possible that it's AI generated. Black indicates it's most likely written by a human. It's such a simple yet brilliant system that makes reviewing results a breeze. Next, let's test some human-written code. We copy a human-written Java snippet, paste it into CodeSpy.ai, and hit Analyze. And the results are just as exciting. It shows only a 2% chance that the content was written by AI and a massive 98% confidence that it was crafted by a human. This level of precision honestly gives you so much confidence in the tool's reliability. Another feature I absolutely love is the Reports tab. CodeSpy.ai automatically saves all your analyses in one place. Just click there and you can see all your saved reports at any time. If you need to share or document your findings, you can export everything into a CSV file with just one click. It's small touches like these that really show CodeSpy.ai is designed with real-world users in mind. Now let's quickly talk about pricing. CodeSpy.ai offers flexible plans for every need. You get a free plan with 3 AI scans per month, which is perfect if you're just trying things out or working on smaller projects. For more frequent users, the consultant plan for a month offers unlimited scans and even branded reports. And for growing teams, there are small business and enterprise plans too. Honestly, for the peace of mind and protection it offers, CodeSpy.ai is an investment you won't regret. So if you're serious about your code quality, your reputation, and protecting your projects, CodeSpy.ai is an absolute must-have. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to explore it yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SoftGPT, and ring that bell for more amazing tech tools and walkthroughs.